Oh, that's rare. Oh, that's rare.
Extreme western Allegheny, Maryland, and the following counties in West
Do
Virginia,
this for a living.
Western Grant, Western Mineral, and Western Pendleton. High wind warning in effect from midnight Monday night to noon Tuesday. West winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include in Maryland, extreme western Allegheny County, in West Virginia, Western Grant, Western Mineral, and Western Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from midnight Monday night to noon Tuesday. Impacts, damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and trimmings. Use caution if you must drive. This is a statement from the...
That actually kind of got me by surprise there.
Oh wait, there you have it.
Shit. Hold up. I didn't even know there was gonna be high. I didn't even know there was high wind watches or anything at all. Shit. Hold up. Yep, right there. It actually scared me. Alright, cool.